whether you're heading overseas or relocating stateside. This briefing is designed to guide you with PCS process, entitlements, documentation, and critical do's and don'ts. The Transportation Office main goal is to ensure transition is smooth, compliant, and stress-free. The main document that you'll need to bring to our office is your PCS orders. It must be official and signed, and also if you have any amendments, if applicable. Now that you brought us your PCS orders, we can tell you your entitlements. Your entitlements are shipment of your house of goods. What are your house of goods? Those are like your couches, your dining table, basically the furniture. Weight limit is based on rank and your dependency status, whether you're married or single. Also, you're entitled for unaccompanied baggage. Those are like your small shipments, essential items that you're gonna need when you get to your next duty station. We also have, you're entitled a PPM, personally procured move, or DIDI move. You move items and you get reimbursed. Last is the non-temporary storage, or NTS. This is like a long-term storage for items that you won't be bringing. This only applies for overseas PCS and does not entitle you if you're going stateside or CONUS. Now we're going to talk about stuff that you do's and don'ts, such as prohibited items, such as batteries. Lithium batteries has certain restrictions, so please come see us so we can further discuss this with you. Most of these items include e-bike batteries, large power banks, and also solar generators. If you don't know what to do with it, you can dispose the item before you PCS, or you may file a one-time loss claim with the government or the Army. Do not attempt to hide these items in your shipment. Violation can result in fines and shipment delays. Now, all of us are in Italy, so you want to ship your wines back home or wherever you're going. So yes, you can bring alcohol back, such as wine, Prosecco, beer, but there are rules. First one, you must declare it. You must declare it on your custom forms, which we will provide to you, and you have to apply for a permit because some states in the United States has limits. It varies by state. Most allow 1 to 5 duty, 5 to 5 bottles or liters duty free. Taxes and duties, some may apply beyond the duty free limit, some don't. Carry restrictions. Alcohol must be packed securely and declared to your transportation office. Military PCS pet shipping allowance. This is your entitlement. So for CONUS, from here going to CONUS or overseas is up to $2,000 reimbursement. Some of the tips I can give you for smooth PCS is: one, start early, inventory everything, label the boxes clearly, stay informed, ask questions, and visit, of course, our office, the transportation office. Top PCS mistake to avoid. One is waiting too long to start planning. Once you get notification of PCS, you should be thinking of stuff you want to pack. Not hand carrying important documents, such as medical record, passport, school transcript, and also your orders. It can get lost. Overpacking or ignoring the weight limits. So each rank, or depend again if you're married or single, there's a limit. House of goods limits are based on rank and dependence. Exceeding them can be, you can get charged out-of-pocket cost. Shipping prohibited items. We talked about lithium batteries, flammables, perishables, firearms, of course without proper documentation, are not allowed. Shipping, not researching your new duty station. Every location has different housing, schools, and amenities. Poor communication with movers. Misunderstanding about packing days, inventory. Delivery windows can lead to delays or damage. Forgetting about your pets, of course. Make sure you book pets travel early. Check the quarantine rule. It may vary on the country or location you're going. Make sure you visit the nearest vet clinic, and make sure your pet records are handy. And last but not the least, not asking for help. PCS is overwhelming, especially with families and little ones. Make sure you lean on your unit, the transportation office, and also if you have any sponsor. They've been through this before, so make sure you ask for help. Thank you. Have a great day, and please refer to our slides for more information.